Good morning, everybody. Josh Ezell, Breakthrough Real Estate. Hope you're having an awesome week. Today's daily tidbit is all about your website. Now, I know most agents probably have a website. The thing is, most agents expect that website to perform miracles without really investing in the website. The website is only going to pay you back as much as you invest into it. So if you have a great platform that has fast searches, all that great fun, that's the basics. But how are you getting your website out to as many leads, clients as you can? So without boosting or trying to get people driving to your website, it's very, very tough. So there's lots of things you can do. Hopefully your website enables you to perform like blogs, put videos up, to do different updates. It performs auto searches, all the great fun. In a world where over 80% of people are looking online months before they actually make their purchase, you have to have a great online presence. It's not as cheap as it used to be. And you've got all these people that, like Realtor Zillow and everybody out there that's trying to get you to use their services. But here's the thing. If you're spending money on their services, you're building their brand, you're building their name, and you're actually making them a lot of money in the process. So my challenge for you today is to actually think about taking that same amount of money or whatever it is you've been doing and invest it in you, invest it in your website. Can you create a vlog? Can you create some cool updates? Can you do some cool posts? Can you drive traffic to your website? Can you do things to make your website different and to make it that exciting place people want to come to? There are lots of options and it is going to require effort, but think about the benefits if you grow your brand and you invest in your website as opposed to all the other things out there. Think about it. Have a great day.